Hello friends, this is Mudassar from Phone here. Earlier we did the battery test of Tecno Povier 4 and now it's time to test the camera. It's an entry-level quad-core device that is giving us a quad camera on the rear side and a single camera on the front. The quad camera setup on the Povier 4 includes a 13 megapixel wide-angle lens, 2 megapixel bokeh, 2 megapixel macro, and an AI lens along with a quad flash that throws a very strong light. On the front there is an 8 megapixel selfie camera and a dual LED flash, and all this comes for a price tag of 18,000 rupees in Pakistan. Let's check out what the entry-level phone is capable of. If you're on my channel for the first time guys, please subscribe to it and hit the bell icon for getting notification of our camera and battery tests and reviews. We're talking about the camera app again. It is quite easier to use and you get everything the phone offers on the default screen. While talking about the day images, the AI cam, which is basically the default mode of Tecno Povier 4, gives an okay quality image in terms of colors and details. It gives reasonable images in good light, especially in the day. Look at this image. The colors look slightly oversaturated and exposure is on the higher side. The middle part of the image is showing better details of the building, but the outer areas on both the left and right side are showing the washed out details. The sun is somewhere on the right side of the building, and look at the impact on the sky and the building. The sky is completely blown out. Overall, you would notice higher noise level as you move away from the central part of the image. But the HDR mode is quite practical, that improves the blown out areas. Look at this image now. The sky is blue now, the overall image looks sharper and the colors look vibrant, but somehow the exposure is on the higher side in the default mode. Certainly you would want to lower the exposure value for getting a better image under strong light. The 2x zoom doesn't seem to lose much of the quality and the images turn out having sufficient detail, but this is not the case with the 4x zoom. But keeping in view the price of Tecno Povier 4, you should expect such quality from this phone. The camera isn't good with handling strong light. What you can do when the light is strong, such as the sunny day, you can lower the exposure value for taking some reasonable images. Check out these samples of day images. At night, the Tecno Povier 4 struggles like any other entry-level smartphone. The very same building that we shot in the day looks noisy at night, and that too with too much loss of detail. The image blur is noticeable and the camera doesn't seem to perform well against the light source. The subject, both human and non-human, are captured with washed out details. Even the flash isn't of much help. However, the well-lit areas and the subject under the good ambient light turn out acceptable at night, but a closer look would reveal washed out details and lots of noise. Tecno Povier 4 can take some good bokeh and macro images in the daylight. Even the selfies are good indoor and outdoor with light falling excessively on the subject. In the outdoor, you would find overexposed backgrounds in the bokeh mode, but subjects look very acceptable with good edge mapping. In case of macro shots, we shouldn't expect too much out of this tiny camera. The details are not impressive. While in the low light or in the case of night selfies and portraits, the results are not what you expect. They are not at all impressive. Tecno Povier 4 can record videos up to 1080p resolution from both front and the back camera. Videos from the back camera are good in detail, colors and sound capturing. But because of no stabilization, your hands need to be very steady while recording. Have a look at the sample videos. So friends, this was a complete camera test of Tecno Povier 4 in different lighting conditions. Overall, this phone performs better in the daylight or good ambient light, but at the night things are not very promising unless you choose to shoot in the well-lit areas. So if you like the video, do give it a thumbs up, share it and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest videos and their notifications. See you in the next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz.